Axolt, simplifying business operations through intelligent product management. In this session, we'll explore how to create and configure different types of products in Axolt: standard, batch, serial, and subscription. Each product type has specific tracking and control options designed for accuracy and efficiency. Standard product, navigate to Products tab. Click Create New Product and enter the product name. Ensure the active checkbox is enabled. If the product can be purchased, check Can be purchased. Finally, activate Track Inventory. This keeps your stock count precise and continuously updated. For batch products, enter the product name and set it as Active. For purchasable products, enable Can be purchased and track inventory. Additionally, activate Lot Tracking. This is mandatory for batch-controlled products. Lot tracking helps manage stock in batches, ensuring traceability across manufacturing or expiry cycles. Similarly, for serial products, enter the product name and activate Active. If it's purchasable, ensure Can be purchased and track inventory are enabled. Then, activate Serialized, which is mandatory for serial-controlled products. When both batch and serialized options are active, Axolt tracks each serial number within its batch. If only serialized is enabled, each unit is uniquely identified for precise inventory tracking. And for subscription products as well, enter the product name and ensure it's active. Since this product is based on recurring services, Can be purchased can be unchecked if it's not a tangible item. Then, enable is subscribed to activate recurring billing and automated subscription management in Axolt. In Axolt, each product type supports unique business needs. Standard products ensure inventory tracking. Batch products require lot tracking. Serial products use serialization or lot tracking. Subscription products activate is subscribed for recurring billing. Configure these settings accurately to maintain control, visibility, and operational precision with Axolt.